Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to update Evernote on Windows. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to click the download for Windows and then log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Evernote, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. To update the Evernote on Windows, you just have to follow these simple steps. All right. Now, once you open the Evernote on your Windows or in your computer, as the desktop application launches, go to the Tools section or go to the Help on the top corner. You will notice that there is an option that says Check for Updates. I want you to click it, and there's going to be a small pop-up window that would appear. All right. So you see, if your desktop application is not updated, you would notice that there is an option that will say check for updates and need for updating. But as of the moment, my desktop application is kind of updated, so it's 10.120.3 is currently the newest version available. And click on OK. The idea is, you see, whenever you have the most updated Evernote app on Windows, it fixes a bug with it's not possible to sort search results and fixes quick note with Windows status. Click on OK. Now, to make sure that you have the latest, if the check for updates is not working right here, all right, if it's not working, you might want to go to the you see, nothing's happening, right? There could be a bug. If you're experiencing issues with the update, you might want to go to the official homepage of the Evernote, which is going to be this button right here. All right, and click on the download for Windows. You see there is a release notes on the bottom part corner and the latest version for desktop, and the web version is going to be version 10.120.3. All right, again, these are going to be the previous releases. Make sure you download the latest version, which is the purple color. Do not use any of these. If any case you are having problems, updating your desktop application on Windows, you might want to go to the officials customer support service of Evernote. All right. From here, click on the Get Support for discussions. You see this. If you need support, click on the Forum, Support and Learning, and these are going to be the options. Once you get a hold of the customer support staff, tell them you are having problems updating your Evernote on Windows, and they will give you insights and troubleshooting steps on how to fix it. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.